Welcome to today's update on the global metals market, brought to you by Ajayasthromanee Guru. In this video, we'll delve into the latest developments affecting aluminum prices, which have recently experienced a notable drop. We'll explore the key factors behind this decline, focusing on the impact of Chinese manufacturing data, investor behavior, and broader market trends. On September 3rd, aluminum prices took a significant hit, reaching their lowest levels in 2 weeks. The metal dropped to $2,411 per metric ton before recovering slightly to close at $2,416.50, marking a 1.3% decrease. This downward trend is primarily driven by fresh data from China, revealing a marked slowdown in factory activity. Specifically, Chinese manufacturing has declined to its weakest point in 6 months, raising concerns about sustained demand in crucial sectors like real estate and automotive. China's economic slowdown is casting a long shadow over the metals market, despite positive economic signals from other regions globally. According to Dan Smith from Amalgamated Metal Trading, the persistent weakness in China is a significant factor influencing the overall demand for metals. Adding to the pressure, investors are unwinding their long positions in aluminum, with algorithmic trading strategies also shifting from buying to selling. The impact isn't limited to aluminum alone. The metals market saw a sharp decline in tin prices, which fell by 3.4% to $31,230 per metric ton. This drop is largely due to supply constraints, following the temporary shutdown of key smelters, such as Yunnan Tin in China. The resulting squeeze in supply, known as backwardation, is evident in the declining inventory levels within the country. Meanwhile, other metals like copper, nickel, zinc, and lead showed mixed performances on the London Metal Exchange. Both copper and zinc registered declines, reflecting broader market apprehensions, while lead bucked the trend with a modest increase. In conclusion, the recent dip in aluminum prices highlights the ongoing challenges faced by the global metals market, particularly in the context of China's economic health. As we move forward, it will be crucial to monitor how these factors evolve and what they mean for future price movements. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayasthromanee Guru for your latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about the latest trends impacting the global economy.